Have you ever looked at a beautiful handmade necklace online? Or maybe you've downloaded a perfectly designed digital planner that organized your entire life. You probably thought, wow, that's amazing. But what if I told you that the person behind that creation could be you? Right now, in 2025, people just like you are turning their creative passions into real, tangible income, all from the comfort of their own homes. They are painters, potters, graphic designers, vintage treasure hunters. They are leveraging the incredible power of Etsy to connect with millions of buyers who are actively searching for unique, one-of-a-kind items. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's a real, achievable reality. Imagine waking up to the sweet cha-ching sound of a sale notification on your phone. Think about the pride you'd feel packaging up a product you poured your heart and soul into, knowing it's heading to a happy customer who values your skill. This is the world of Etsy. It's a vibrant, global marketplace where creativity isn't just a hobby, it's a business. Knit cozy scarves design stunning wedding invitations, finding incredible vintage fashion. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the potential for success has never been higher. Your creative spark is valuable, and it's time you started treating it that way. So, what's holding you back? Maybe it's the voice in your head saying, I'm not a business person, or it seems too complicated. Let's be clear, those are just stories. The truth is, if you can create, you can sell. The technical side of setting up a shop is something anyone can learn, and I'm here to walk you through it, step by step. Head over to Etsy.com, use your buyer account or register. Click register, enter your name, enter your email address, create a password. It's simple and fast. Declare, I'm doing this. Now we get to the really creative part, choosing a name for your shop. This is more than just a label. It's the very first piece of your brand that customers will see. Your shop name should be memorable, easy to spell, and hint at what you sell. Brainstorm words related to your products, brainstorm words related to your style, brainstorm words from your own name. Rustic and earthy items, forest and forge, vibrant modern art, color pop creations. Play with combinations, say them out loud. Check on Etsy to see if the name is available. Don't overthink it. Give it some love. If your shop name is The Handshake, your product photos are the entire conversation. On Etsy, people can't touch or feel your products, so your photos have to do all the heavy lifting. They are, without a doubt, the single most important factor in a customer's decision to click Add to Cart. You don't need a fancy, expensive camera to get this right. Your smartphone combined with good lighting can work wonders. The key is to use bright, natural light whenever possible. Set up your products near a window on a clear day, but avoid harsh, direct sunlight which can create ugly shadows. A bright, overcast day is your absolute best friend for product photography. Your goal is to show your product from every important angle. Etsy allows you to upload up to 10 photos per listing. Use them all. Start with a clear, well-lit hero shot of the product on a clean, simple background side view, top-down close-up of handle lifestyle shot with coffee scale shot next to a book. Once your stunning photos have drawn a customer in, your product title and description are what will seal the deal. Let's start with the title. This is not the time to be vague or overly artistic. Your title is prime real estate for keywords, the search terms buyers use. Think like a customer. What words would you type into the Etsy search bar? Include details like color, size, material, style. A great title isn't pretty necklace, dainty gold bar necklace, minimalist layering jewelry, 14-karat gold-filled bridesmaid gift for her. See the difference? Your first 1 or 2 sentences are the most important. Use this space to write a compelling, benefit-driven summary. Effortlessly organize your entire month and crush your goals with our spacious monthly layouts. Instead of just saying, this planner has monthly layouts. After your hook, use bullet points or short paragraphs to list all the important details. Dimensions, materials, care instructions, what's included. Pricing your work can feel like the trickiest part. Many new sellers make the mistake of underpricing their items out of fear. Please do not do that. You need to price for profit and sustainability. Start by calculating your costs, materials and supplies for that one item. Then factor in your time. What is your hourly rate? Even if it takes you 20 minutes, that time is valuable. Finally, add your Etsy fees: listing fee, transaction fee, payment processing fee. A simple formula is materials plus your time plus fees, all multiplied by 2 equals your wholesale price. And wholesale price times 2 equals your retail price. A huge tip for boosting sales in 2025 is to consider offering free shipping. Buyers absolutely love it, and Etsy's search algorithm often favors listings that have it. You need to build that cost into your product's final price. This is the moment of truth. You've created your account, branded your shop, taken gorgeous photos, and written compelling descriptions. All that's left to do is create your very first listing and hit that big, beautiful publish button. You'll upload your 10 stunning photos, paste in your keyword-rich title and your detailed description, and set the price that you so carefully calculated. And just like that, your product is live. It is officially available for millions of people around the world to discover and buy. Take a moment to celebrate this incredible milestone. You have gone from having an idea to creating a real, tangible product listing in a global marketplace. Your Etsy shop is now open for business. Congratulations on getting your shop live. That is a massive accomplishment. But opening your shop is just the beginning. The single biggest key to success on Etsy is providing an outstanding customer experience from start to finish. Responding to messages quickly and politely, shipping your orders within the time frame you promised, packaging your items with care. A simple handwritten thank you note included in the package can make a huge impression, turn a one-time buyer into a repeat customer who leaves a glowing 5-star review. Handmade goods, digital products, vintage items, craft supplies, printable wall art, digital planners, social media templates, ebooks. You create them once and you can sell them over and over again without worrying about inventory or shipping. Treat your shop like a real business. Consistently add new listings to keep your shop fresh. Promote your shop on social media, Instagram, Pinterest. Use your photos to create posts and stories that lead people back to your Etsy shop.